My name is Scott Ramsden with Cleveland Drones. I'm Vice President of Operations, and it was wonderful coming out here today to work with the children of the STEP program, seeing what they wanted, basically to know about drones and their interest in drones and how they can incorporate what they're learning into what we're doing. So we hope to provide them a basic sampling of the platform that we use out here, and maybe they can take it into the future.
We started in '09, that was more commercial and real estate photography. We transitioned into aerial videography photography. So we've been doing that like 2.5 years. So we saw a little market for it, especially in construction and real estate. Drones and construction, this is what we try and focus on. Is construction, like I said, construction and real estate. But just with the drones, as far as construction, everyone's interested in construction, but this has a lot to do with critical picks. Really important. There's a critical pick. You want data and video documentation of something going on. Same thing with staging areas. You know, a drone, an aerial perspective is probably the best perspective. Also, you may have some things that may need inspecting, and certain personnel would need a man basket or a lift to get to that point. When we can just use a drone, 5 minutes, you're up here getting a close-up of issues or what they need to see without using certain man baskets. So let's say with safety, you know, personnel, in hard to reach areas.
Well, yeah, walk around the crowd with him, huh?
What I liked most about the Cleveland Drone Company is all the useful information, because I had a drone and even I didn't know some of the things, and I thought it was cool to see all the airfield heights and where you can and cannot fly the drone.
What I learned was how drones are used in different fields and the different ways they're used to improve people's lives. And I also enjoy learning how drones is an untapped field and how I could possibly use drones in the future.